All right, Google Sheets Day 2. Take a look in Google Classroom here. So we have Google Sheets Day 2. Recreate this spreadsheet in Google Sheets. All right, so someone already has it turned in supposedly. Hopefully it's not someone in this class. Nope, it's not. All right. So anyhow, looking here, back to here. Oops. Sheets Day 2. So if you look at this here, and again, most of this is going to be pretty much review, but we have 3 columns and 11 rows. All right, and then obviously each row here are the you have 10 animals basically after the heading there. Across the top is Cooper Black 16, bold. All right, so Cooper Black might not exist for you, but make it 16 bold. And then Impact, I believe, is there, 16 with yellow fill. And then you have Ariel 16 center with a turquoise fill. And then the third one, Magneto, probably not there, but you can pick something different. 16 with a light green fill. All right, so remember when you are creating this, you are going to, right over here, hit Add Create. Make sure you do that. Most of you do, but like last hour I was 6th graders, some of them just go to Google Drive and they start from there. Don't go to Drive, go Add Create, and you're going to create a Google Sheet. All right, when you create that Google Sheet, it's automatically going to put your name on it, and it's automatically going to name it probably Google Sheets Day 2. Okay, so you make sure that you do that, and then it's going to give you that blank sheet. All right, I can't do that because I'm on the teacher version of this. All right, but I'm gonna just gonna go. You should not be doing it this way. All right, I have to because of the way it's set up with the teacher view. All right, so again, what I said the other day, if I'm looking at this, everything's size 16. So if I'm doing this, I'm going over to C and going down to 11, and you could type it all in first, or do this. I'm gonna highlight all of that and make it 16 right in the very beginning. All right, so now everything that I type in there is 16. All right, across the top was 16 and it was bold, and the name of the font was Cooper Black. And I said I kind of doubt. I'll look and see if it's there, but I don't know if Cooper Black is there or not. Some of these are fonts from Excel instead of Sheets. Cooper, yeah, so no Cooper Black. Let's use Cookie since it's there. All right, Cookie. And so Cookie's already loaded up, so I got to scroll down here to Cookie, which is a pain to do in this. All right, Cookie. All right, so Cookie, bold, and I am typing in animal weight color. All right, so animal, and then the weight. Oh, I gotta re-highlight that, and color, like so. All right, and I'm going to highlight all of those and make them all Cookie. There we go. Then down here, I'm going to type in my animals. All right, so these animals here, again, these are in Impact 16 yellow. So I'm going to go ahead and go 1 through 11 here and color that in with yellow, like so. Make sure you haven't started. Make sure that you are watching. Thank you. Impact, again, Impact I believe is probably down here. H, there it is, Impact. All right, and then so I have my animals to type in there. I'm just gonna put in fake animals here. Dog, bird, cat. Again, I made a mistake by not highlighting it all. Horse, and so on. All right, I'm not gonna do it all, but again, I need to highlight 1 through 11 and make them all Impact. All right, so, and then my weight. So again, looking over here at weight, Ariel, 16. All right, Ariel is a pretty common font, and right there it's already even there. All right, and so weight, I'll put in whatever random numbers here. You need to match it up. Good enough. And these numbers are centered. All right, so I'm going to center those. I'll go down and center all of those all at once, like so. And then find, oh, and that color, what's that color? Light blue or something, I think? Turquoise. Oh, that's good luck being colorblind. Cornflower, blue. Purple, close enough. Magenta, purple. Left. This one? No, that is left. Sign. All right, there we go. Okay. And then colors, again, so if I'm looking here, colors are in Magneto 16. Like I said, I'm sure Magneto is not there. So I'm just going to find a different M one. Let's go down here to find someone else that starts with M, and that's going to be close enough. H-I-J-K-L. Else. Ooh, there we go. Let's go with, Metal Mania. There we go. All right, and then so I'll just do colors. So I'll do brown. Oh, I gotta do them all at once here. Metal Mania, brown and white and black and brown again, for example. All right, and then the color on this one is light green fill. So let's go 1 through 11 on this. Whoops. 1 through 11 on this. Ooh, light green. And I don't even know where light green is. Right here? Is that light green? All right. There we go. Yep, looks good. And then on that, let's see here. So the only thing that's centered are your numbers right here. Not centered, not centered, everything size 16, and so on. Turn on borders or grid lines. Make sure you do that, like so. And then when you are done, it looks like you're not going to have to stretch anything to fit, but I could highlight stretch to fit, which was today's bell work question, how to stretch to fit. Same thing here, I can highlight 1 through 11, and so these are a little bit short, and now so everything is 1 through 11 there. And then when you are done, again, you will have that turn in button right there. All right, so let me go ahead and stop this now.